Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into one of the most anticipated vehicles of 2025, the all-new Tata Sierra EV. This iconic nameplate has returned, and it's bigger, bolder, and greener than ever before. Stay tuned as we break down everything you need to know about this futuristic sub. Let's start with the design. The Tata Sierra retains its legendary DNA while embracing a modern aesthetic. The bold front grille, flanked by sleek LED headlamps and a signature light bar, screams sophistication. The floating roof design and dual-tone paint options add to its futuristic appeal. And, of course, it retains the classic wraparound rear windows, a nod to the original Sierra we all loved. Those 20-inch aerodynamic wheels and flush door handles not only look great but also enhance the vehicle's efficiency. And speaking of size, the Sierra offers a commanding road presence with its 4.4-meter length, placing it squarely in the premium midsize SUV segment. Step inside, and the Sierra takes luxury to a whole new level. The cabin is a perfect blend of modern tech and sustainable materials. The vegan leather upholstery, wooden accents, and soft-touch materials scream eco-consciousness without compromising on luxury. The centerpiece here is the 12.3-inch touchscreen infotainment system, powered by Tata's latest IRA 3.0 connected car technology. It comes with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, voice commands, and over-the-air updates. The fully digital driver's display ensures all the key information is right at your fingertips. With its spacious rear seats, reclining options, and a massive panoramic sunroof, the Sierra offers a truly premium experience for every passenger. And yes, it's a 5-seater, so there's plenty of room for the whole family. Under the hood, or should we say floor, the Tata Sierra EV packs a state-of-the-art battery and motor combo. Tata claims a range of up to 500 kilometers on a single charge, thanks to its 69 kilowatt-hours battery. And with 200 horsepower, this SUV offers a smooth yet powerful driving experience. Worried about charging? Don't be. With DC fast charging, you can juice up the battery from 10% to 80% in just 45 minutes. Perfect for those long road trips. Safety is top-notch, with Level 2 ADAS, adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and automatic emergency braking. Tata has truly gone all out to make the Sierra one of the safest SUVs on the market. The 2025 Tata Sierra EV is expected to start at 25 lakh rupees, making it an incredible value in the premium EV space. Whether it's style, performance, or sustainability, the Sierra delivers on all fronts. That's it for today's deep dive into the Tata Sierra EV. If you're as excited about this SUV as we are, hit that like button, subscribe, and let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Until next time, drive safe and stay green.